Ito na ang pinaka-budget-friendly and best deal para sa iyo. Free unlimited Wi-Fi, free water, free condo juice, free 2,000 pesos worth of electricity, with 1.3 hectares amenity area, napakalawak for you to enjoy. 2 basketball courts, pocket parks, jogging paths, lagoon, outdoor gym, children's playground, and multi-purpose clubhouse. For as low as 3,499 pesos monthly only. This is definitely the best ever deal you could ever find here in Urban Dega Homes, Ortigas. Naghahanap ka ba ng very affordable and high quality condo living female bed space? Hi, I'm Engineer Emmanuel L. Villa. I'm a 2-bedroom unit owner here in Urban Dega Homes, Ortigas. We are located along Ortigas Extension, Barangay Rosario, Pasig City. Very accessible sa mga pampublikong sasakyan. One ride only going to Ayala Makati, BGC Taguig, Mandaluyong, Cubao, Ortigas Center. Perfect for working people. I am very excited na share ito sa iyo para matulungan kita. Huwag mo nang sayangin ang chance na ito. Message or call me in my official Facebook page today. Let's talk about your future dream home. See you!